So we back in the shop today, but before we come back to start back on the Jeep, we had to go to Eldorado Outpost at Juarez and get some breakfast this morning and get our 2023 Trail Pass. So even though the Jeep's not ready yet, we're ready. So we got our pass.
Who's ready?
I'm ready.
Who's ready?
I'm ready.
Who's ready?
I'm ready.
We're fixing to start. I got some of the interior tore out of it. Show you where that's at and start trying to mock up something for a console for the new shifters today. And see how far we can get. Of course, we're also going to probably get rid of this nasty carpet, hopefully. And either coat it or put Armor-Lite flooring in it, hopefully, maybe. If they're got it out yet and ready. So, let's see how that goes. See if we can get some cardboard or something to kind of get us a template for a console of how we want to do it. So it's went from cardboard to metal, and it's all tight together. Some of it's welded. The welds, it did not weld like I wanted it to, but that's sheet metal and trying to get the heat right, and it's kind of rusty. So I had to clean all that mess up. I'm gonna try to coat it with some kind of bed liner spray looking stuff anyway, so it'll be good. But that gives my better angle now for my shifter, so the rail will stick down and can go just stick the cable through the floorboard, and hopefully that'll work much better. I'm happier so far anyway. Still a little more to do, get a bit more welding to do. I got to put a bottom in this, so I can try to make the console down a little. Probably gonna be a bottom in it somewhere right in there. But it'll actually be about the same amount of consoles I had before. I'd rather it not be quite as deep because it was terrible hunting stuff before. So I'll probably just come in here and put a bottom. That way the shift rail for the shifter here will stick back. So that'll sit at that angle. And probably somewhere about there on the other side. Enough to stay off the dash. And then be able to stay off of the console. So probably somewhere right there on the other side. Yep, right there. And that'll put the shift rail sticking up in the floorboard. And if I put the thing here, then that'll all go under it and go through a hole and wrap around like I need it.
Then you have magic.
So we took the console back out because we wanted to redo the carpet and everything anyway. Couldn't decide whether we wanted to clear it, paint it, so it got a coat of black satin paint like I painted the roll cage with and everything else. It got about 2 coats, and it is what it is for now. Because eventually the whole Jeep's gonna come apart. Maybe not this year, or not this year, not next year, but the end of next year maybe. And we do that, we'll figure out. We might send it powder coated so it'll last. But anyway, I re-welded the seams because the welds, I wasn't happy with them and couldn't get them ground out. So the new welder, we bought a new Miller 211, and so we re-welded the seams. Happy with that now, and got it painted. Like I say, it's gonna get scratched up and be dirty, so it is what it is. But we're putting a volt gauge in it, 12-volt power port, and then 2 USBs, and one of them's a quick charge for the GoPro batteries and stuff. So get that all put in, and we got the carpet put in it and floor mats, and we're ready to put the console back in as soon as I get it all back together.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Alright, so we got the interior part wrapped up. The cage is done, painted, all that. The seats all back in it. We actually put new carpet in it. We got rough country floor liners to go in it. And we got all the harnesses in, attached to the cage. They're all adjusted out for us. The PRP steering wheel's in. The center console I built is in, attached and done, all wired up. We put a volt gauge in it and some USB ports. The trim panel's on around the shifter. The wife's PRP bag is in there for the GoPro stuff. So interior is finished. We also, with the interior kind of it, we got the speakers back in it. We got the cooler back in, and our new tie downs here. Actually, I didn't even know it, but when I welded these on, this one lined up perfect. But instead of ratchet straps, they kind of icky. I got to get some different turnbuckles because these were some I had didn't have the ends in, but we're gonna put the turnbuckles on there just for a little different look. So, and other than that, I think we're gonna do something. We can't put our top piece back in here, so we may do a little different style top. But as far as the interior and cage, all that stuff's done. So as always, we appreciate the support. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all guys later.